Introducing ISA C8X.
Hello, Horst.
Hi, Matthew.
Hi, it's nice to see you in the corridor. Usually you're over in Bungalowdorf,
Yes.
which is 500 miles over there.
And we have this time a good idea because it's raining.
Yeah.
And it's good to be here.
Yes.
And we have a lot of traffic here, but
Yeah.
it's interesting.
So it's really good to see you. You and I have spent some time before with we was looking at the MD 900,
right,
which I loved, as you know, and we talked quite a lot about the future,
right,
where you might go with the MD 900 and what the new product might be like. We did a live stream. We did a lot of talking.
Interviews with people, what they mean and so on. Yeah.
And so we now have this, the Vibes, which is the kind of the newest iteration.
Yes.
And so this, as I understand it, this takes the MD 900 functionality.
Yes, a bass.
Puts it into there. Right. Is it exactly the same functionality? What's the main difference?
No, the main difference is we have here a new platform because the MD 900 is running under pressure for the manufacturing with the part crisis. So we cannot manufacture the MD 900 at the moment, so it is running out.
Okay.
And the MD 850 was the new platform with the much more powered CPU inside, so we have just here more capabilities. But on the end, this was the idea. We feedback development stuff into the MD 900. We're still doing update, but we cannot do everything. Depends on the power issues.
I see.
The next difference is that the platform gives here more output capability. So we have 4 different outputs and additional stereo input, and a digital mixer with 19 stereo channels, including 2 effect stacks and send returns. So this can we take a look here as well. So we have the master for the parts. We have here the part for the drums, and we have the master section. Sorry. So we have the master section here.
Yeah.
So that we have a lot of capabilities and as well the effect stacks and sidechain and so on. So
fantastic.
This is when we did the first question, mostly was the people say what's the big difference. It is now a little bit a DAW in a box.
It is, yeah.
So they have 7 tracks, so 2 external and 5 views internal with the 4 multi-temporal parts and the drum engine.
And it looks like the sequencer element of this is pulling from here to here.
Yes, but that have to be explained. So that is the main next difference between the MD 900.
Yes.
Because we have a Wi-Fi in there and a LAN connection directly.
Yeah.
So you can connect this in your local network and can do with tablets or a browser with just the IP address to take a viewport open, and you have as well a workflow that is similar to DAW stuff. With MIDI editors, and you can running 3 devices, tablets or 2 computers in parallel, also 2 browsers, to reflect the main keyboard. You're doing the recordings and doing the adjustment of the notes, and then you go to the main screen, and you can have several screens. So the engine is all in the hardware. And after you put the cable away, go to the stage, put some nice controllers on it, and make a performance.
It's great as well that you can have this displayed here, so you can see your sequencing, and then over here you can then just jump in and
it's exactly the same reflection here. So you see you can handle the clip launcher, but for sure 5-inch display is not sufficient to doing live performance.
And so for those who are familiar kind of with the Ableton looping,
exactly,
this is essentially
so it's exactly functional identically. So then we can connect over 3 USB hosts, some external gear, make a few of that for the controllers here.
Yes.
We have a complete farm of controllers implemented to extend the operations on the stage.
So these are all connected.
Right.
USB.
Straight away over USB host. So you need no power, anything. So it is from the integrity and the connectivity, another story also as well against the MD 900.
Yeah.
But the synth engine, yes, mostly, but we have extended the synth engine as well, and have backported to the 900 was the resonator as an additional oscillator type.
Wow. And you know the functionalities that I was just playing on it. It's still very quick to navigate.
Yeah.
Like this screen's brilliant because you can get to your
You can
oscillator
navigate
straight away.
straight away here.
Yeah, it's
Or you can navigate as well with the quick launch navigation here to the oscillator 1.
Yeah.
So you press the function key,
Yeah.
and then you get how many instances are existing,
right.
and then you press the instances. An envelope as an example, or
Yeah.
a filter. So
Very
for
quick.
the power user is the operations with these cool switches.
yeah.
That is the same thing on there. The concept of operation is similar to MD900.
Yeah.
And
We have this.
yes,
The
this
one
is
knob.
a one-knob.
So
The
what is
one-knob
this?
A one-knob is a parameter that you can change several parameters scaled in time.
Yeah.
So you can run the filter cutoff slightly up. You can slide it, attune something.
Okay.
You can do the hull reverb, whatever,
From one-
knob. And you can also connect the expression pedal and can doing this by your feet.
Yes, yeah, okay.
So it's change overall, mixer,
Yeah.
effect stacks, engine, drum computer, several parameters you decide.
Can we just hear a little snippet?
Yeah,
Have we got
absolute-
something playing here?
Absolutely. So I have clip launch on the screen. We can as well see this clip launch stuff here
Yes.
as well. So we can operate it from the hardware.
So we've got clips there.
Yeah. So then I have started.
There.
So then we have a one knob. So I can change this on in the performance style. It go quickly through the. So we can change.
It sounds like the oscillators are so rich, big.
So they can operate now here the mixing as well for all the drum computer.
Okay. So
Can
kick,
do,
snare two, clap.
absolutely. So there are several instruments. So the main parts now is the drum computer, or
Wow.
you can operate it as well.
From here.
So you can change the filter type.
Fantastic.
And so on.
And so this is available now.
So the Vibes is open since 2024. It's available in the market. We have now our own online store
Yeah.
as well. And this give after the fair, this is the newest update. So the other update is similar from the functionality what we have seen, but we have some improvements
Yeah.
in this version. And that is for the beta users after the fair. And in the next month we get out the release of them.
And what is the price
The
currently?
price is currently 19.99 euros. European tax price.
Yeah.
So and depends on the taxes in different countries in Europe.
Fantastic. Well, Horst, thank you again for bringing such a great vibes product into this world. So yeah, thank you. This is cool.
Thank
I
you.
love the smaller form factor. It's such a powerhouse. It really is.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
you put that in your bag. You turn up at a concert. You've got your sequencer. You've got your the 4 different parts. Oh, yeah. Anyway,
It's right.
Go check it out.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot for coming, Matthew.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure. Nice greetings to Nick. Thank you.
bye.